does it mean that gene change? Okay, you saw the gene structure, right? I told you, gene is assembled structure with the 4 different bases, right? What does it mean that the gene changes? That's a base, that's right. So, we scientists call this base sequence, okay? In the letter to what? Write something, the sequence is important, right? Yes. Yeah. My name is Sang Lee. Yeah. Well, let's go back to God then. The God is G-O-D, right? If you put the G and the D the other way around, what happened? An entirely different meaning. The letters exist. Letter exists to what? To reveal your meaning. See, I told you gene respond to the meaning. Why gene respond to meaning? Because gene is letters which represent, which reveals what? Meaning. That's why. That's why. So, the gene which is letter is the letters what God what? Meant. Isn't it? Right? That's right. So, there's an original sequence of the bases in the gene which God put. That was his original letter. But in our lifetime, we what? We changes. Yes. Oh. My name is Sang. What happened if you switch around A and the N? I become what? Snaggly. Terrible name, isn't it? Snag. Yeah. See? This is what happened. You are sick, and you have certain kind of sickness means this. That's all. See? If you have some problem in the what? In the gene in the brain, okay? And the Sang gene become what? Snag gene. Then you have a snag disease. Yeah, snag syndrome. Okay. Yeah. This is what it means. Okay. This is very important concept. So, when we are in medical school, I was in medical school in 1960s, diseases were very complex. Yeah, the hepatitis, cancer, there is a colitis, there is what, the allergy, asthmas, and there's a depression, there's a schizophrenia, there's Alzheimer's disease, osteoporosis. So complex. But now in this 21st century, disease become what? So simple. Why? Every single disease has its own what? Gene change, period. That's it. Yeah, that's it. It's no longer that complex, you know. So scientists made something called human genome. That means what? Gene map. So there's 23 pairs of chromosomes, and scientists now locate if on which chromosome, there's a chromosome number 1, number 2, number 3, to what? Number 22 and the number 23 is XX or XY. See? If it happened to be XY, then we're what? Male, right? If it is XX, it is what? A female, right? So, on these 23 pairs, in which number of the chromosome, number 7, in which location, there's a certain genes. If this gene has snag problem, then you have certain disease. According to the which file has a snag problem. Okay? So that we call a gene map. Let me show you gene map.